Right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your Nothing Headphones 1 to your Windows computer. So this could be a Windows PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Windows computer, Bluetooth settings. So go to settings and then under settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. You can see it right here on the side and then go to add device. And then from this little window, select the first option, which includes audio devices, mice, keyboards, phones, pens, controllers, and more. So click on that. And now my Windows computer is actively scanning for a device. So what you need to do is go to your headphones, turn them on. So you have to, if you're going to connect via Bluetooth, they need to be on. So turn on via the switch and then find the Bluetooth button, also called the pairing button. And you want to press and hold that button for a couple of seconds until that light starts blinking like that. And when it blinks, it means they're in pairing mode and they should be detected by your computer. So you can see they've already been detected here. So all you have to do now is come here and click on that. Just press that and then you're good to go. Okay. So they're connected for both microphone and sound output. So now you can click on done and you should be good to go. Now when you click on or when you check your devices, you should see Nothing Headphones. They're right there. Okay. So that's it. That's basically how to connect. The other thing you can do is to go to the Bluetooth or rather to the sound settings at the bottom here. Just click on the sound icon and then click on the arrow next to sound and make sure the Nothing Headphones are selected as a default output device. Then you should be good to go. Now you can put them on and use them to listen to music, watch movies, or any kind of audio you might want to listen to. Thanks for watching and good luck.